Here we are in room 5189. It's a cave room. Use my wristband to get in. Let's check this amazing. You're watching Ride the Teacups, and we're giving away $100. We'll show you everything about this room in a moment, but I don't want you to miss your chance to win. To enter, you have to subscribe and leave a comment. That's it. Our family posts theme park content to help out with your family's next trip. If that sounds good, please consider subscribing and turning on all notifications. Now let's check out this amazing cave room. It's amazing. These are the themed rooms from Great Wolf Lodge. We love themes. But before we get to that, let's check out the most important room here from the entire place. Got lots of storage for towels up top. Towel rods are actually here behind the door. Have 2 hooks with 2 hooks each, so you can hang up 4 things. Always find that super helpful. There's that. Pendant bar that comes out, of course. Very basic shower head. We've also got all of the amenities attached to the wall, your soap and shampoo, nice big tub, and of course the blankets for the ground. You've also got this incredible mudroom type area with lots of storage up top. This is actually where the extra blankets and pillows are for the pull-out couch. We're gonna see in a second. Lots of room, lots of hangers, place to sit, place for all your shoes. Gonna have some extra because you'll have probably closed-toed shoes for the activities and flip-flops for the water park area. Big, huge mirror and my right arm. And with the single sink and lots of space underneath for storage. Yeah, let's get here. It's Wiley's Den. Love this place. It's really cool. Nice artwork on the walls. You see the old edition of these videos coming through on the TVs. Really cool artwork up here in the cave, all the way around and underneath for the second bunk. Our kids love the bunk beds inside the caves. You even get more rock work up over here. Pretty cool. Back out here again, you do have an enormous counter area. So if you want to make your own food like we do, you don't have the cooktops and things, but you do have lots of places to make sandwiches and everything else that you may need. More open storage over here. It does have a coffee maker. It's not a Keurig. Do have the mini fridge. It actually stores a good bit and has room for your cans and things in the door. It does have a freezer section. 3 big, huge pull-out drawers that are actually quite tall and quite deep. Love seeing that. More storage space here on the ground. Another big TV. We also have these table and chairs. I love this lamp. It's really cool because it actually tells the story inside the artifacts in here. Pretty cool. And you do have table and chairs with a whole bunch of outlets. We will count the outlets in a minute, so stay tuned for that. We got a really nice view of the mountain area and things outside. Some of the views out here are just of the parking lot. This one's pretty good. You do have a pull-out couch. I always like the pull-out couches. We will see how clean it is in a minute. And the big, huge canopy over the queen bed. And then here, just to show you the lights that they have, they're actually pretty cool as you get close. Just like lanterns, they attract little moths and stuff. Really neat little details that are spread throughout the lodge here. And this is not a drawer. And then on the nightstand itself, you have 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs that have seen better days. Those are kind of gross. And then you also have 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs right out there. Now, for those of you who were with us on our last time we were here, this guy pulled out was pretty gross. Check it out. The sofa bed itself is easy enough to set up. Just clear everything out of the way, pull the frame out by the handle, unfold it, and then make sure to stop and cringe at just how gross the whole thing actually is. When you're done, the cushions can rest at the head of the bed for some extra support. Oh my gosh, look at this. What is that? I'm not entirely sure I want my kids sleeping on this bed. Let's see if we've done any better 2 years later. All right, looks okay. All right, not bad, yeah. That's better. The underside of here is actually clean. Really happy about that. It's It's got a couple holes in it, but it's clean. I mean, I'm even taking a pretty close look at this. It's, yeah. All right, it's everybody's favorite game show. How many outlets are there? Let's go figure it out. Right here, off of the main sink area, you have the 2 regular outlets. Right here next to the coffee maker, there are also 2 outlets. Wiley's Den also has 2 outlets down here on the ground. Over here by my favorite lamp and table and chairs, you have 4 regular outlets. Hidden away on the side of the couch, there are 2 more in there. We always like seeing if the person on the end gets their own set of outlets to charge their phone. They do. It's actually here on this side though, 2 more outlets over here. And then on the nightstand itself, you have 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs that have seen better days. Those are kind of gross. And then you also have 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs right out there. We've also got to go around and find all the hidden paw prints again. Let's check it out. We'll turn here into the bathroom and find the first one's right here on the shower curtain. As we leave the bathroom, there's another one, kind of harder to see, on the mirror. The soap is a paw. That counts. Now you'd think that here in Wiley's Den, inside of the kids area, there might be something, but you know what? You would be completely right. It's right here on Wiley's guitar. There's also a pair down here on Violet's pair of shoes. I almost missed those. Hanging out here into this room, you also have one on each side of the bench. And yes, there's one on the other side too. It's a cool room. It's comfy, it's clean, it's nice, it's a lot of fun, and there's so much to do here. If you want to see some of the things that are here to do updated for this year, check out this video right here. We'd love to show it to you, or some of our other Great Wolf Lodge videos here as well. Thanks so much for watching. We love y'all. Hey, we're running a contest right now, by the way. You can win a $100 Amazon gift card by leaving a comment. All the rules are in the description. Love you guys. See you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.